Well, when you come in Dr. Salamay's office, of course, Renee's there and greets you she's just a sweetheart. She just makes you feel comfortable with everything she does. You feel at home, and Dr. Salamay, the thing I really like about him, he treats you as an individual. Not every person has the same problem. Not everybody has the same body type or chemical makeup, so he treats you on a personal level and he understands your body individual. The first adjustment was just amazing. I mean, my neck, the pain had already started going down my arm. It took a couple of weeks for the arm pain to stop, but the pain in my neck was just like instant relief, and it's just got better and better each time I come. Yes, for anybody out there that thinks that there's not any hope left for any condition you have, you need to just come and let Dr. Salamay see what he can do for you. He's honest, he's sincere, he puts you first, and he treats you as an individual, and he's just wonderful. I mean, it's just amazing. I'm late 40s, and I'm looking forward to a whole new life.